If Arc felt like a fresh take on browsing, Dia wants to go further by rethinking what a browser even is. Dia is a minimalist Chromium based browser that ditches traditional tabs. Instead, it uses cards and workspaces. The idea isn't just to browse, it's to work with intention. You open Dia, choose a workspace, and everything inside is tuned to that one purpose. It's also offline friendly. You can store content locally, which makes it great for researchers, writers, or anyone who works with a constant internet connection. Now, the pros. The interface is ultra clean and distraction free. Workspaces and cards help you stay organized, and it's fast, lightweight, and private. But there are limitations. No extension support yet, so no password managers or add ons, and the card system can feel unfamiliar at first. So, who is Dia for? If you want a focused, distraction free browser for deep work and you're okay experimenting with something new, Dia is worth trying. It's not as polished or feature rich as Arc yet, but it's fast, private, and refreshingly different. It's not the browser for everyone, but it could be the next one for you.